Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use voice search and remote controls with YouTube TV. So first, using voice search on smart TV remotes like Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast with Google TV, just press and hold the microphone button on your remote. Speak naturally, for example, play ESPN, search for cooking shows, record NCIS. Release the button, and YouTube TV will follow your command. With Google Assistant or Alexa, say Hey Google or Alexa, followed by your command like play NBC on YouTube TV, pause YouTube TV, rewind 30 seconds on YouTube TV. So this one is great for seniors or anyone who doesn't want to type with the remote. Number two, remote control basics. So common buttons and functions. Home button brings you back to your TV's main menu. Back button steps back one screen in YouTube TV. Arrow keys, touchpad, move through menus. OK slash select choose highlighted item. Play, pause, start, or stop playback. Rewind, fast forward, jump back, or skip ahead in DVR recordings. Now, special tips by device. If you're using Roku remote, simple clean layout has voice search on supported models. Fire TV remote, deep Alexa integration can control smart home and YouTube TV by voice. Apple TV remote, swipe, touchpad for navigation. Siri button works with YouTube TV search. Chromecast with Google TV remote, great for Google Assistant commands and easy integration. And basically, that's how to use voice search and remote controls with YouTube TV. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.